So one thing we learned from Asian medicine is that our kidneys back here, they govern a lot of things, not only urinary function and cleaning the blood, but our kidneys govern our bones, the hair on our head, our teeth, our sense of hearing, the emotions of fear and willpower, but also libido. And so a really simple thing to do is to include more black foods in our diet. Not things that are dyed black, of course, but things that are naturally black. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera. So this is a plant that's gotten really popular, long used in Ayurvedic medicine. Its name, ashwagandha, means smells like a horse, and that's really in reference to its ability to give one strength and virility. Ashwagandha is in the nightshade family, so you can even see that it looks like it's a relative of tomato and goji berry. And it's great for endurance and strength. Saw palmetto bears are in the palm family, so they're a relative of dates and coconut and all that. They're called saw because they have these sharp spines on them. And Serenoa repens, they grow in the Everglades. I've seen them in California. It's said to be anabolic, meaning it's good for muscle building, and it's anti-androgenic. So one of the virtues of saw palmetto is that it's used to reduce prostatic inflammation, nighttime urination in both men and women, and it's especially regarded for its ability to inhibit testosterone